Hello, welcome back to Carlton Motor Company. Today we're going to be having a look around the Mercedes Vito L1H1 from 2017. It's 124,000 miles, as you can see. It's a rare model, colour coded in red, with a mobile workshop in the back, twin side loading doors, inverter on board. We'll have a little look around the vehicle now. It's in fantastic condition, gleaming in red. Walk around to the front. Grille's been upgraded too. It's a gloss black grille on this one. Contrasts lovely with the red, as you can see. Passenger side, we'll take a look in the cab. Cab in fine order. Air conditioning with this one and cruise control. All the upholstery is in good condition. Let's look into the side door. So you can see as you open the side door, you've got the hand wash, the shelving inside, and to the left on the bulkhead you have the soap dispenser and the inverter as well. You've also got your sockets up here on the rear and 12 volt as well. Always handy to have. As you can see on the top, you've got the twin pipe tube roof rack. It's the Rhino one. Fully ready for work, this van. As you can see, around the back you've got shelving at the rear, you've got the parking sensors built in the bumper. Little diagram here showing what your payload is on this vehicle with the workshop as it is. It's nice to know. Great example, this one. For more vehicles and videos like this, please head to the website. It's www.carltonmotorco.co.uk. Thank you. Bye.